Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to connect Phantom Wallet to dexscreener. So the first thing that you need to do is just go to the Play Store or App Store of your mobile phone and just search here Phantom Wallet. And once you search Phantom Wallet, you will be seeing this application called Phantom Crypto Wallet. So just open this app, and once you open this app and make your account and log in with your account and let it load, and from here let me just enter my passcode, and here you will see the home section of the Phantom Wallet. So once you're in here, you just need to click on the search icon on the most right side. So from here you can see the search tops, like on the top of the screen, sites, tokens, URL. So search here dexscreener. Simply write down dexscreener, and once you write down, you will be seeing like this, the first one, dexscreener, DEFI. So just open this one and let it load. It will take a few seconds. Verify you are a human and let it load. And once it is verified, so you will be seeing this interface. So from here you can just click on get the app, and you can just download the dexscreener app as well on your mobile phone. And from here you can just click on explore and just log in or sign in with your account, and you can see all the other options available. So just click on sign in and just log in with your account, and if you want to connect your wallet, so you can just connect the wallet as well. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can connect your Phantom Wallet to dexscreener.